Welcome to our class. This lesson for UKG children. The lesson name is Vowels. What is the lesson name? Vowels. Vowels. Say once again. Vowels. In English alphabet we have 26 letters. A to Z we have 26 letters. In English alphabets we have 5 vowels. See, A, E, I, O, U. See, A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. These 5 letters are called vowels. Let's see sound of A. How to I pronounce? Observe. First read the spelling and try to pronounce the word also. M-A-N, man. Here sound of A. See, M-A-N, man. Are you observing the sound of A? Next, V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. P-A-N, pan. Do you know pan? Yes, it is used for cooking. P-A-N, pan. Next, C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Next, R-A-T, rat. Both are enemies. Cat and rat are enemies. Cat, rat. Next, H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Next, M-A-P, map. Which map is this? Yes, our India map. M-A-P, map. T-A-P, tap. C-A-P, cap. Say along with me one time. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. V-A-N, van. P-A-N, pan. C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-P, map. T-A-P, tap. C-A-P, cap. These are the sound of A words. Next, sound of E words. Let's see sound of E words. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. So the spelling P-E-N, pen. What will we do with pen? We will write. Next, H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Next, T-E-N, ten. T-E-N, ten. How many fingers do you have? Yes, 10 fingers. 10 fingers. In right hand we have 5, left hand 5. Total 10 fingers. Next, P-E-Z, peg. P-E-Z, peg. Peg means it is a hook. E-G-G, egg. E-G-G, egg. Who give egg? The hen give egg. E-G-G, egg. L-E-Z, leg. L-E-Z, leg. Next, P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. N-E-T, net. Say once again. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. T-E-N, ten. P-E-G, peg. E-G-G, egg. L-E-Z, leg. P-E-T, pet. J-E-T, jet. N-E-T, net. These are the sound of E words. Next, sound of I words. Let's see. Sound of I words. D-I-Z, dig. D-I-Z, dig. Next, P-I-Z, pig. P-I-Z, pig. F-I-Z, fig. F-I-Z, fig. It is a fruit. Fig means it is a fruit. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. T-I-N, tin. TIN, tin. PIN, pin. PIN, pin. ZIP, zip. ZIP, zip. LIP, lip. LIP, lip. SIP, sip. SIP, sip. KID, kid. KID, kid. LID, lid. LID, lid. DIZ, what is the pronunciation? DIZ mean dig. PIZ, pig. FIZ, fig. BIN, bin. TIN, tin. PIN, pin. ZIP, zip. LIP, lip. SIP, sip. KID, kid. LID, lid. Next, sound of O words. O. POT, pot. POT, pot. HOT, heart. HOT, heart. Which items are hot, very hot? Coffee, like that. Next, cot, COT, cot. COT, cot. DOZ, dog. DOZ, dog. LOZ, log. LOZ, log. FROZ, frog. FROZ, frog. OX, ox. OX, ox. FOX, fox. FOX, fox. BOX, box. BOX, box. Next, TOP, top. TOP, top. MOP, mop. Next, POT, pot. HOT, hot. COT, cot. DOZ, dog. It is our pet animal. It guards our house also. Next, LOZ, log. FROZ, frog. OX, ox. It is a domestic animal. Next, FOX, fox. It is a wild animal. This is domestic animal. This is wild animal. Next, box. What will we keep in the box? We kept pencils, erasers, like that. But this is a big box. In this box we keep clothes also. Next, TOP, top. Do you play with this? TOP, top, top. Do you play with this? Yes. Next, MOP, mop. For which purpose we use this? For cleaning the floor. For cleaning the floor we use the mop. MOP, mop. These are the sound of O words. Next, sound of U words. A complete, E complete, I complete, O complete. Next, U words. RUZ, rug. RUZ, rug. BUZ, bug. BUZ, bug. It is an insect. Bug means it is an insect. JUG, jug. JUG, jug. GUN, gun. GUN, gun. BUN, bun. BUN, bun. Next, SUN, sun. SUN, sun. CUT, cut. CUT, cut. NUT, nut. NUT, nut. HUT, hut. HUT, hut. Next, UP, UP. Only two letters is here. UP, up. UP, up. CUP, cup. CUP, cup. PUP, pup. Once again. RUZ, RUZ, rug. BUZ, bug. JUZ, jug. G-U-N, gun. B-U-N, bun. S-U-N, sun. C-U-T, cut. N-U-T, nut. Nut, it is a seed. H-U-T, hut. Next, U-P, up. C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, pup. Now I will show some questions. You have try to say. See, this is the blanks. These are the blanks. Fill in the blanks with vowels. Vowels mean A-E-I-O-U. Vowels, how many vowels? 5. What are they? A-E-I-O-U. These are the vowels. To make words, the first one is done for you. See, this is done for you. M-P. Which letter we write here? A. Total M-A-P. Next, see, what is this? What is this? Pan. First, identify the picture. What is this? Pan. Which letter we write here? A. P-A-N. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. Next, what is this? This is peg. P-E-Z. Peg. P-E-G. Next, what is this? Yes, it is a pot. Which spelling is right? P-O-T. Pot. Which letter we write here? O. P-O-T. Pot. Who is he? Yes, sun. S-U-N. Say the spelling. S-U-N. Sun. Next. K-I-D. Kid. He is a small kid. H-K-I-D. Kid. Next. See the picture. What is the picture is this? Box. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. What is this? Tin. What is this? Tin. Coke tin like that. T-I-N. Tin. T-I-N. Tin. What is the last one? Very easy it is. It is very easy. What is this? Ten. T-E-N. Spelling T-E-N. Children, do practice some more words like this. Okay? Copy these all words in your slate or notes. Try to practice 3 or 4 times. Thank you.